Hello YouTubers, this is Ali from Five Brothers and today we're gonna review some basic houseplant care. If you don't know your plants, don't worry, you can find the names easily. There are some mobile applications that help you to identify your plants. I have an Android phone, so I'm using Google Play to search and install those apps. I believe iPhone is the same, so I just type in plant identification and as you see, we have multiple options here. For some you need to pay and some are free and I'm using this one, PlantNet. Good number of installation and also a fairly good review. There are some other alternatives like Google Lens as well. And here are some of my indoor plants. You take a picture of your plant and the applications match it with the database and tells you what's the type and name of your plant. Dragon tree, devil's ivy, and so on. We know our plants now. How do we take care of them? Houseplants need light, water, proper temperature, proper humidity, and proper soil mix. Let's start with light. Light is one of the most important factors for growing houseplants. Some plants need low light, some other medium light, and high light. Low and medium lights means little to no direct light. A low light plant would be suitable for a north window or fairly dark corner. If you are using artificial lighting, means 10 to 15 watts. And a medium light plant would be suitable for east-facing windows or located near a west-facing window. Again, if you are using artificial lighting, it's about 15 to 20 watts. A high light plant would be suitable for brightly lit locations such as south or southwest facing windows. For artificial lighting, it's more than 20 watts. Here are some examples of low light plants like pothos, philodendron, snake plant, and English ivy, and so on. Some examples of medium light plants are ferns, rubber plant, spider plant, grape ivy, jade plant, and so on. Examples of highlight plants are cactus, jasmine, gardenia, orchids, and so on. For a full list of these plants, please check the description. Okay, number 2, water. You need to protect your plants against dehydration and overwatering. Some signs of dehydration are slow leaf growth, translucent leaves, and premature dropping of flowers or leaves. And overwatering. Overwatering is the number one killer of houseplants. Some signs of overwatering are fungus or mold on the soil surface, mushy brown roots, standing water in the container, and falling leaves. About the water quality, I can say the room temp tap water is fine. Just try to avoid the continuous use of softened water. Okay, let me show you one of my plants. This is my money tree and you can see how dry is the surface soil. If you want to check how dry is the entire soil, you can use a piece of stick, a piece of wood like this. Okay, I go down to the bottom of the pot and you can see that it's completely dry. This means that it's time for watering your plant. And you will learn gradually when is the best time for watering each type of plant that you have. Okay, let's check other factors. Proper temperature and proper humidity. For most of plant, average temperature and average humidity is fine. It means the average of 65 at night and 75 day temperature and 25% to 49% in terms of humidity. And the last parameter is a proper soil mix. And from the strategist side, let's see the best potting soils for every type of plant. Miracle Grow is a good brand and they have different type of potting soil mixes. You will have many options in the market. You can purchase these products online or in the stores like Home Depot, Walmart, and other places. You also need good fertilizers. From this website, Urban Garden Gal, I just want to introduce you 10 natural fertilizers for your houseplants. Number 1, banana peels. A good source of potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. Just cut into small pieces and mix into the soil. Number 2, eggshells. A good source of calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals. Just crush the eggshells and mix them into the soil. Number 3, warm tea. This one needs equipment and space, and maybe it's not very practical for many indoor applications. Number 4, cooking water. It means the water that you use to boil the vegetables, for example. And notice no oil, no salt. Number 5, coffee grounds. It's a good fertilizer but suitable for acidic soils. Number 6, green tea, my favorite. Again, notice that this is good for plants that like acidic soil. Number 7, Epsom salt. You can purchase this one from stores. Number 8, fish tank water that is full of nutrients including nitrogen and potassium from the fish waste. Number 9, hair. Honestly, I'm not a fan of this one, but you can try. And number 10, molasses. It's also a good natural indoor plant fertilizer. Okay, I want to wrap up this video with the magic of music. Scientific researchers like this one have shown the good effect of different types of music on plants. For example, in this study, researchers have played different types of music like classical, jazz, rock, natural sound, new age, and waltz for plants. It was shown that plants grow better with classical, nature sound, and waltz music, but not rock music. So please don't play rock music for your plants. If you don't have a good list, here is an example of classical music for plants. This is a collection on Spotify with a collection of most famous classical pieces. Okay, I want to summarize this video here and invite you to listen to Spring, a fantastic piece of music by Antonio Vivaldi. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.